experiencing repeated livestock raids and the death of the citizens of this area from criminals who come to take their cattle. Make it your priority security number one. And we together will work and eliminate this problem in the shortest time possible. Of late, I think in the last 2 weeks, there have been raid after raid. Every day there is a raid. Every 2 days there is a raid. This cannot be left to continue anymore. We are taking action against officers who are already serving, either in uniform or without uniform, who we get evidence that they are part and parcel of the problem. They are looking the other way and allowing criminals to get away with crime. Some of them are being induced through monetary gains to allow criminals perpetuate other crimes, including narcotic and the transportation of aliens, illegal aliens through our country. Others are being used to assist drug traffickers to achieve their evil schemes. So those few officers who are damaging the image of our country's security formations, again, you have to choose whether you want to remain in service or we allow you to join the other criminals out there.
Na tugithie na mbere